John Deere Riding mower L120 blades won't engage. Replace seat switch, PTO switch and mower clutch. Engine will kill if seat switch is not depressed as designed. But nothing to get blades to engage.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. It sounds like you have an electrical problem. It could be a bad relay. See attached link. It is the wiring diagram. You need to have power going out the clutch. If you do not, then check the relays. http://www.4share.com/office/o and 7pev/L100L110L120_wiring.html.
We have power to the clutch when we turn on the key. It will only engage momentarily to kill the motor when we have the PTO on and let the seat switch off. It starts the blades and kill the motor. If we sit on the seat and pull the PTO, the blades do not engage and the motor will continue to run.
Replace the Rio switch. It is the switch that allows you to mow in reverse. I have seen those go bad and cause problems like this. From what you have replaced, the Rio switch is the only thing left.
Is there anything in the ignition switch that would also cause this? It appears to be a problem with a safety issue. It acts just like with the blades running we are raising off the seat. Is there any way to test the Rio switch to make sure? We are 3 hours from the nearest parts place and 6 from a dealer.
Let me see. I can upload the manual for you.
Thanks. We await your upload.
See attached link. Click on download and wait for the timer to expire. Click on download again and it will ask you to download it. Allow it to download. It will take a while as it is 5 megabytes. It is the entire electrical section of the manual. Save a copy to your computer and then you can reference it whenever you want. http://www.4share.com/office/roots/L_series_electrical.html.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.